Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to talk about three coins that I am extremely bullish on. These are three, and probably end up giving you more because I want to over-deliver in the content that I give you guys, and just want to make sure that you know what I think is going on and overall the opportunities that I'm seeing. So we're going to get into those in a minute. Videos for entertainment purposes only. And real quickly, I want to kind of give you a state of the union on the overall crypto market. We kind of had a day today. I was watching it all day. The day today was a little bit quiet, is for lack of a better way to kind of, that's kind of how it felt. You know, we had a nice run up yesterday, a very nice bounce back from, you know, the red that we had the previous couple of sessions and things like that. So it was nice to see that. And, you know, like if you look at Cardano, for example, just kind of using it as a barometer, not one of the three, by the way. I love Cardano. It's just not in this particular video. It's definitely one of my top ones that I'm a huge fan of. This one, Cardano ran really hard yesterday, and then kind of been watching it all day. It was just kind of, you know, lingering between, say, 1.5%, 3%, kind of just didn't really do much. Kind of, and you can see the similar action in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I think fundamentally overall, it was kind of a day of rest, for lack of a better way to say. It's kind of my term for it, and just kind of felt like that all day. So it could be kind of, again, the calm before the storm. We did cross back over the 2 trillion mark for the global crypto market cap, which was good to see. Okay, so with that, let's get into the three particular cryptos that I really like and that I'm going to highlight in this video. They are all three that I own all three of these, and I'm extremely bullish on them for almost all the exact same reason. Okay, if you've watched any of my videos recently, you've seen probably a theme when I'm talking about Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, things like that. There's absolutely I wouldn't call it a revolution, but there is a movement happening, and that movement is centered around what is going on with Ethereum. And I want to say up front, I am a fan of Ethereum. I own a bunch of Ethereum. Ethereum is one of my largest holdings. Ethereum, I still fundamentally believe, is going to continue to go up, probably 5,000-6,000 plus by the end of the year. 2023, 30,000 is not out of the question for Ethereum. With that said, the delay of Ethereum 2.0 to basically, which is the moving from proof of work to proof of stake, has delayed that the delay, right? The proof of work to proof of stake. There's various reasons for that, and that's not the point of the video. It's created a tremendous amount of opportunity for other companies like Cardano. Again, not one of the three, okay? It is, but it's not one of the three I'm highlighting in this video. You guys have seen my Cardano days. I love Cardano. I'm extremely bullish on Cardano. But Cardano is benefiting from everything I'm talking about as well. And so with the delay of Ethereum 2.0, you have a lot of these other blockchain / DeFi, NFT, smart chain players stepping up and kind of filling that void. Because if you understand the kind of the lay of the land, is that if you look at kind of the overall crypto market and all of the projects that are being developed and need to be deployed in the crypto space, they have to basically decide what blockchain they build and deploy on. If it's on Cardano, if it's on if it's on Ethereum, if it's on Solana, if it's on Polkadot, whatever it may be, right? And so therein lies the interesting part about this. And so the three I'm going to talk about real quickly are benefiting from the delay that is going on with Ethereum 2.0. So that's why these are the three coins that I love. And there's more than three. I'll mention the other ones as well. So real quickly, they're as follows. It's Phantom. Phantom is one that I am a huge fan of. And at this price point, it is a very, very attractive buy at this price point. I bought in when it was around 90 cents. I have rode it all the way up to about a 1 month will be. I've rode it all the way up to $1.93, did not sell, rode it back down, and again, it's gonna go back up, right? I mean, it's just going to benefit, continue to benefit, and I love the things that Phantom is doing to incentivize and bring more development onto their network. So Phantom is number one. Okay, before I get to number two. Need to make you aware, I have my Patreon group, links in the description below. If you want help with your portfolio, if you want help from me, you want more Austin in your life, if you want to be part of my inner circle portfolio and see everything I'm buying and selling, if you want be part of my Discord, be part of my community, I would love to have you. If you feel like you're kind of tired of being alone in this journey, then I'd love to have you. Links are in the description below. By the way, I did add this, you can pay annually and get and save some money. So if that's something, you might be interested in that. Okay, so links are in the description below. Second one is Cosmos. Cosmos has definitely been moving up very, very nicely. And if you look at kind of in the last month, it's 1 month action, you can see that it's actually trading pretty high comparative to its overall high. But all the indicators are is that when the overall market just continues to turn bullish, when Bitcoin and Ethereum go bull, that this one is going to run. It is absolutely going to run and going to run hard. So it's definitely, again, one of the benefactors of what's going on in the overall kind of blockchain scenario that we just talked about. And last but not least is Algorand. Algo is definitely one that I like, again, for the price point. You can buy in for the price, and it's definitely one that's very interesting, and it's a good play. Others that are not mentioned here that I'm also extremely bullish that are associated or kind of similar are obviously Solana, right? So if you look at Solana, what's going on with them? I haven't looked at them today. They're really kind of flat today, but they went up to 152, but they're in the last month, they've been as high as 214. Okay, I do own Solana, and I'm happy to be in and have rode it from the highs and lows and the oscillation that's happened, and it's been kind of a crazy ride. Another one that I'm really very bullish on is Avalanche. Avalanche has been doing nicely as well. It's currently trading at 77. Again, all associated and kind of all in the similar space, right? And so if you kind of look at a 1 month chart there, it's trading a little bit high on the high end relative to its 1 month high. Its 1 year high, again, is the same, right? So it's pretty close to its high. So if you're kind of looking for entry points, you might wait to see on Avalanche. Maybe we'll get a pullback. You can find a lower entry point on this one. Okay, so that's my list and the reasons for my list. So hopefully you enjoyed it. As always, thank you for your support. I'll see you later. Take it easy. Bye.